Tell us about this partnership and the kind of timelines you're looking at to start human clinical trials.
Thank you. We are very pleased that we can extend our great partnership with BioNTech under these difficult times to rapidly, as a team, move forward to develop a COVID-19 RNA vaccine. And the timeline is very aggressive. We hope within weeks start dosing patients in US, Germany, and China.
Wow, that is very fast. And of course, we know that Moderna, which is working with the NIH, is using a similar messenger RNA technology. The first patient was dosed yesterday. I also understand that they are kind of concurrently running animal tests as they start that. It's not the usual step-by-step process. Is that what you guys are doing as well, to be able to have that expedited timeline?
Yeah, we actually, we have been a partner of BioNTech since 2 years ago, trying to disrupt the way you do flu vaccines to get them better, faster, and more precise. So we started dialogues a few months ago as we got to know more about COVID-19 genetic code and its behavior, on how we could possibly join up here. And BioNTech already then had done some activities that made it possible for us to plan these aggressive timelines. And we will certainly do things in parallel, but we are, just weeks away from starting dosing. And I think what's unique here is that you bring together one of the proven vaccines leaders of the world, Pfizer, that has capability to scale up to treat hundreds of millions across the globe, and BioNTech, which is one of the leaders in the RNA space. So I think that supplements nicely what NIH and Moderna are doing, and gives hopefully patients and all American people more options and more probability that we will come out successful.
And quickly, give us a timeline for the potential vaccine being ready if all goes well. And also, I know you're screening antiviral compounds too. Which one could potentially be ready faster?
Yeah, thank you for a great question there. I think they serve different needs. The vaccine is really to deal with that. In the end, we need to get these type of coronavirus out of our public health population. So this is to treat the many millions of individuals that are initially at risk or can be exposed to the virus in a population, and protect us from coronavirus coming back to short or not disappearing in our country. So while the studies may start in weeks, I think our strategy involves in parallel show that the vaccine is raising effective immune responses in patients, and that we have good tolerability, and supplement that with possible animal data on efficacy. And we would like to be very creative in dialogue with regulatory agency, how we can bridge experiences from preclinical and clinical to possibly be able to provide a vaccine for the larger population in an unprecedented fast timeline, because these are unfortunately an unprecedented time. And I want just to say, look, our CEO Albert Bourla very recently laid out a 5-point plan how we need to come together between pharmaceutical, biotech, and federal agency to make a difference. And that has really propelled us in this endeavor. And a lot of other labs have joined us, many coming from the network of NIH. So we're moving very fast here. Finally, on the antiviral, I just wanted to say we're speaking about a few months there, but that's focused on treating patients that are ill. Yeah.
That makes a lot of sense. Dr. Dolston, we're going to have to leave it there. We'd love to stay in touch with you as these developments come historically quickly in some cases. Thank you so much for being with us.